Hi everybody, welcome back to Cozy Corner Crafts, and today's craft is going to be doing something with spring. So in your craft bags you are going to get a bowl, you're going to get something called raffia, and you're going to get a feather and maybe 2 feathers, and you're going to get 1, 2, 3 eggs. So what do you think we're making today? A nest? Yes. So we're going to give you some basic supplies, and what might be something you would like to do is, before you make your bird's nest, is you can go out and collect some leaves or some twigs, no mud though, but you can look up what kind of nests do birds make, and a lot of time they take string. So if you have some string at home, you could actually put that in your nest because birds weave it in, and twigs. They put twigs in it to make it really strong. And some birds called ospreys, they make nests that are 4 to 5 feet across. Of course, because they have pretty big eggs and their babies get pretty big. But you also can have a hummingbird, and a hummingbird's nest is about this big. So your eggs are bigger than a hummingbird's nest. So can you imagine how tiny the eggs are? They're probably the tip of your finger. That's how big they are. Pretty cool, hey? So what you're going to do is, once you get your craft supplies, you're going to take your bowl and you take some glue, and it's going to be pretty easy, this one. And all I'm going to do, actually let me put it down like this. All I'm going to do is I'm going to put glue all around it, and then I'm going to put a little bit on the inside, and then I'm going to take all my raffia, that's what it's called, and I'm going to make it into a kind of a bird's nest idea, and I'm going to put it in here. So you'll need a few more supplies to make a really nice bird's nest, and then feathers, because birds line their nest with feathers. And I don't know if you've ever seen Canada geese, but what they do is they pluck their feathers out of their breast area, and then they make a very, very nice nest. And do you think it would be really warm? Okay, so I'm going to put my eggs in there. And actually, you probably don't even have to glue them in, but I'm going to glue them in a bit. And we're going to put there's our eggs. And then, if you still have your Easter chick that you've made actually quite a while ago, you could actually, once everything is dry, you could actually pop your chick in the nest. Okay, so we'll see you soon. We'll see you on Thursday for Cozy Corner Stories, and I think this week we might be doing stories about nests. Okay, we'll talk to you guys again soon, and see you soon. Bye, and please show us how your nest turned out. Okay, we'd love to see them. Bye for now.